Hello students, today our lesson is about irony. In this video, I'm going to identify irony and introduce you to the types of irony and see the clues of irony, how to figure out irony. First of all, let's start with the definition of irony. What is irony? Irony is a communication technique where the intended meaning of the words used is the exact opposite of their literal meaning. What do you mean by that? Let's take this example. When you say, "What lovely weather," when it's pouring rain outside, do you mean that really the weather is lovely, or you mean the opposite, that the weather is not lovely at all? So this is irony. When you mean the opposite of it, I didn't intend to say that it's really lovely. It's really unlovely. Now, what are the types of irony? In literature, we have three types of irony: the verbal, the situational, and the dramatic. Let's start with the verbal. What's the verbal? It's what you say. This occurs what is said is the opposite of what is meant. It's very common in jokes, in dialogue. For example, "I just love doing dishes." This means the writer doesn't like doing dishes at all. Okay? What is the situational irony? This happens when the outcome is the opposite of what was expected. Let's say for example, if you are going on a vacation, you expect to have a lovely vacation, but it turned out to be a disastrous one. Or like in this example, an example might be a fire station burning down, something you think was highly unlikely to occur, because you think that a fire station, it's the one that extinguishes fire, not to be burning down. Now, what's the dramatic irony? This type is common in movies, books, and plays where the audience knows something the characters do not know. For example, when you are watching something, the audience know that the one who committed the crime is that character, for example, but the characters themselves aren't aware of that. So, for example, in a movie, we might know a character's secret that other characters don't, leading to ironic situation. Now, what are the clues that we depend on to spot an irony? First of all, contradiction. What is the contradiction? It is the disagreement between what is said and what is meant, or what is expected to happen and what actually happens. Exaggeration. Irony often includes overstatement or understatement for humorous or dramatic effect. Audience knowledge. In dramatic irony, the audience's understanding of events or individual surpasses that of the characters. So as you practice, you will get better at spotting these cues and understanding the real meaning behind them. Thank you.